Hello guys, good morning! Welcome to my YouTube channel! Hello mi amigos, mi amigas, mga nami lawas. Ayan guys, today morning I'm making a bridal bouquet made of fresh flowers. Ayan guys, so I used the flower Calia Lily, Veronica, and spray rose and roses. Ayan, normal roses. So ayan guys, her theme is purple colored. So use purple flowers. Ayan guys, so I'm not done yet. We will continue our bridal bouquet. Enjoy watching guys. So guys, this bouquet is made of special flowers and ginamit nating ribbon or pantali is the normal one, the natural what you call this natural texture again, the one that we use always, the eco-friendly one. So ayan guys, it's too much nice colors. I like it. And it's not done yet guys. We will put extra flower. This is the small lemonia. We'll put it here. So let's go. Ayan na siya guys, it's ready. Tapos na ang ating bridal bouquet. Ayan guys, it's so very nice. Oh my god. Okay guys, let's take a picture. So guys, if you are new in my channel, please hit like, subscribe, and hit notification bell for the latest videos. So hope you enjoy my vlog guys. Bye. Peace.